Good evening, everyone. Dear students, today we are going to learn some numerical problems based on dual nature of radiation and matter. So, first one, what will be the energy of each photon in monochromatic light of frequency 5 into 10 to power of 14 hertz? So see the problem number 7 in your textbook on page number 322. What is given in that problem? What will be the energy of each photon in monochromatic light of frequency 5 into 10 to power of 14 hertz? So what is the given part? See here carefully. Given it is frequency, so nu is given, it is equal to 5 into 10 to power of 14 hertz, it is given. And what we have to find out? Capital E, energy, is equal to question mark. We have to find out energy given nu, and we know H, Planck's constant, equal to 6.63 into 10 to power of minus 34 joule into second. So its SI unit is joule second. So we have to find out energy. So see here carefully. Solution for that, we know formula for a very simple problem, this one. So E equal to, we have capital E is equal to H into nu. So put the values here. Capital E is equal to H is 6.63 10 to power of minus 34 into 5 into 10 to power of plus 14. Multiply this 6.63 by 5. So energy is given by, it is 5 into 3, 15, carry 1, 5 into 6, 30, plus 1, 31, carry 3, 5 into 6, 30, plus 3, 33. It is 33.15 into 10 to power of this 14 and minus 34. It is minus 20. So finally, we can write this as capital E is equal to 3.315 into 10 to power of minus 19 joule. This answer is in joule. We can find it, we can convert it in electron volt. So we can write this energy as, it is 3.315 into 10 to power of minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 to power of minus 19. For conversion of energy from joule to electron volt, we have to divide that energy in joule by 1.6 into 10 to power of minus 19. This 1.6 into the 10 to power of minus 19, 19 get cancelled. We can write this as 33.15 divided by 16. We can divide this. So it is 16 2s are 32. It is 2. 1 remaining part here 0 division, and 13 7s are. It is equal to 112. So you can write this as E equal to 2.07 electron volt. So what was the given part? Frequency was given 5 into 10 to power of 14 hertz. We have to find out energy as per the problem. H is known, Planck's constant 6.16 to 10 to power of minus 34. It is SI unit or in joule second. We have the relation energy of photon E equal to h into nu. So put the values h 6.63 into 10 to power minus 34, here 5 into 10 to power 14, multiplication of 6.63 into 5, it is 33.15 minus 34 and 14, 10 power is minus 20. Adjustment of decimal point 3.315 into 10 to power minus 19, it is in joule, but we require the answer in electron volt. So for conversion of answer in joule in electron volt, we have to divide it by 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19. So after division, it is 2.07 electron volt. So this is the answer in your textbook. Observations from an experiment on photoelectric effect for stopping potential by varying the incident frequency were plotted. We know the experimental study of photoelectric effect. We can carry on the experiment by varying frequency, varying intensity and varying PD between emitter and collector. So what is given in the problem? Observations from the experiment on photoelectric effect for the stopping potential by varying incident frequency were plotted. The slope of linear curve was found to be approximately equal to 4.1 into 10 to power of minus 15 volt. So given slope of the graph, it is equal to 4.1 into 10 to power of minus 15 volt into second. Volt second is given. So what is the graph plotted between? It is the stopping potential by varying the incident frequency were plotted. Stopping potential versus frequency. The graph of stopping potential versus frequency was plotted. It is like this. So this is the graph of stopping potential versus frequency. Here it is frequency and here the stopping potential. And we get the curve or the straight line like this. The x-intercept of the graph is nu 0. It is called threshold frequency. Here is frequency on x-axis and potential Vs, you can say stopping potential. So slope of this graph is given. It is equal to 4.1 into 10 to power of minus 15. And it is equal to the quantity on y-axis, it is Vs divided by nu. This graph is or this slope is given. So we have the relation kinetic energy equal to, we can write the relation like this. Slope of this graph, so here solution. We have kinetic energy equal to h nu minus, it is phi 0. So instead of kinetic energy, you can write Vs into E equal to h nu minus h nu 0. So Vs can be written as h by E into nu minus nu 0. This nu 0 is always constant for any metal surface, which is threshold frequency. So it is constant part. So stopping potential depends upon frequency linearly, and that graph is straight line with slope equal to h by E. This Vs is directly proportional to frequency. As we know, kinetic energy is directly proportional to frequency. Similarly, stopping potential is also directly proportional to frequency of incident radiation. And therefore, if you go on increasing the frequency, the stopping potential must be increased. So Vs is directly proportional to frequency. Nu 0 is constant. So this h by E, Vs by nu is equal to h by E. So h by E gives the slope. Therefore, slope is equal to h by E, and its value is given here. It is equal to how much? 4.1 into 10 to power of minus 15 volt into second. It is given. So from this value we can find h. So finally you can write h equal to here. H equal to this E into 4.1 into 10 to power of minus 15 volt second. Just we can write the values only, unit we will write later on. So E equal to, finally this H can be written as E is 1.6 into 10 to power of minus 19 into this 4.1 into 10 to power of minus 15. Multiply by this 16. 16 ones are 6, carry 1. 16 4 is 64 plus 1, it is 65. Decimal point is here. 6.56 into 10 to power of this 19 plus minus, actually minus 19 minus 15, it is minus 34. Its unit is joule into second. So this is the value of H, Planck's constant, as per the given problem. So what is given in the problem? Observations from the experiment on photoelectric effect for stopping potential by varying frequency of incident radiation. If we go on varying frequency of incident radiation with potential, it is clear that as potential frequency increases, graph of potential, value of potential also increases, and the graph is a straight line showing Vs is directly proportional to frequency. We know kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus phi 0, where phi 0 is work function. Vs into E, instead of kinetic energy, potential energy, h nu energy, h nu 0, it is work function. So h is constant, take it outside the bracket. Vs can be written as h by E into nu minus nu 0. It is clear that nu 0 is constant for given metal surface. Vs is equal to h by E. So slope can be written as h by E. For the graph of stopping potential against frequency, the slope is y coordinate divided by x coordinate. So y coordinate is Vs divided by x coordinate is nu, frequency of incident radiation. So ratio of y coordinate by x coordinate is slope, and that slope is h by E. It is equal to 4.1 into 10 to power of minus 15. So h can be written as E into 4.1 multiply by E. So it is h equal to 1.6 into 10 to power of minus 19 into 4.1 into 10 to power of minus 15. After multiplication you get final answer 6.56 into 10 to power of minus 34 joule second. So this is the answer for Planck's constant. So next problem we will learn, we will take it in next lecture.